I'm Anna Phillips, a lecturer in the School of Physics and Astronomy. I'm going to talk to you through the study options in the school, as well as some of the amazing teaching and research facilities available to our students. Many technologies that make your life more comfortable or allow you to work efficiently in the 21st century are due to engineered solutions based on discoveries in physics. These discoveries underpin our consumer devices, such as your smartphone, or medical technologies at the heart of the health system. These applications and many more are based on fundamental discoveries that came about through human curiosity in exploring the physical world around us. Astrophysics extends the applications of physics to other planets, the stars, and the entire universe, seeking to provide humanity with an understanding of our place in the cosmos. The skills you gain through studying physics or astrophysics can lead to research in these areas. They're also highly applicable to many more careers, such as developing medical instrumentation, radiotherapy treatment of cancer, modeling the climate and weather, analyzing big data in financial systems, developing innovative ways to address sustainability, exploring emergent behavior in complex biological systems, and understanding the brain, to name but a few. We offer the full spectrum of physics and astronomy and astrophysics. We offer everything from the fundamentals of mechanics and energy to computational astrophysics, atomic physics, X-ray optics, and particle physics. At Monash, you'll have access to state-of-the-art equipment and facilities and custom-designed teaching spaces designed specifically to promote learning and student-centered activities. In these spaces, you will not only learn the fascinating science underpinning our everyday lives, you'll also develop communication and technical skills that will serve you well in a wide range of careers, including data science, teaching, law, and beyond. You will benefit from working with researchers and teachers who are world leaders in their field. You'll have the opportunity to build skills that are highly valued by employers and to achieve your intellectual potential. You can study physics and astronomy units as a part of any degree in the Bachelor of Science, single or double degrees, including the specialized four-year degrees Bachelor of Science Advanced Research and the Bachelor of Science Advanced Global Challenges. You can take physics and astronomy units as a part of other degrees at Monash. Many students study physics as a part of double degrees in a wide range of areas, from engineering to the arts. Now, for details not covered in this video, please remember to check out the information in the Monash Handbook. I'll give you a quick overview now of the physics and astronomy options in the Bachelor of Science degree. You can specialize in physics or astrophysics by completing a minor, a major, or an extended major in physics or astrophysics. To complete a major in physics, you'll select 8 of the units shown here, starting with the first-year sequence PHS 1011 and PHS 1022, or PHS 1001 and PHS 1002. Note that the first-year units are only offered once a year, with PHS 1011 and PHS 1001 only offered in semester 1, and PHS 1022 and 1002 only offered in semester 2. We recommend that students starting mid-year wishing to study physics or astrophysics focus on their maths and perhaps one of our astronomy electives and start the first-year physics sequence in semester 1. For a major in astrophysics, there's a similar selection of units, but note the options for the first-year sequence are the same. Let's look at the first-year sequences as well as some of the elective options in more detail. Where you would start depends on your degree, what you studied in VCE, what your interests are, and how far you want to take your physics or astrophysics studies. If you pass both Year 12 physics and either mathematical methods or specialist mathematics, you would like to continue in physics, you should select the sequence PHS 1011 and PHS 1022. The sequence is calculus-based, and it requires that you have studied the basics of differentiating and integrating functions in VCE math methods or similar. If you passed VCE physics but studied VCE further maths or equivalent, you'll need to contact the school to discuss your options. Sci 1000 listed here is a required science communication unit for all Bachelor of Science students. Single degree students must complete it in their first year. Double degree students are recommended to complete it in the first year, but double degree students should seek out advice from Monash Connect to get tailored course planning advice regarding these requirements. There are maths requirements for these units and progression to the second year. For example, many students would select the 2 units shown. Science and engineering double degree students can fulfill the maths requirements with the equivalent engineering maths units. Please check the Monash handbook for specific details. If you did not take year 12 physics but are thinking you'd like to take some physics now, then you can take PHS 1001. This is algebra based, so it only requires VCE. Further maths are similar. PHS 1001 is a science unit, but you can alternatively take it as an elective. It can be difficult to fit single standalone electives into double degrees because of the requirements you may need to fulfill for each degree. Please discuss your options with Monash Connect for specific tailored advice for how to fit such units into your double degree structure. Now, you could stop there, but if you enjoy PHS 1001, you could complete a first-year sequence by continuing with PHS 1002 in the second semester. PHS 1002 does require calculus, so this requirement can be accommodated by selecting the appropriate Semester 1 maths unit. The sequence of PHS 1001 and PHS 1002 would let you continue on to physics or astrophysics in your second year, provided you take the required supporting maths units. Again, specific details can be found in the Monash handbook. Or you can contact the school if you have any questions. If you're an engineering student with year 12 physics, you can take PHS 1002 as a standalone elective. But if you want to continue with a minor or major in physics or astrophysics, then you must select the appropriate sequence. We also offer units in Semester 1 and Semester 2 in Astronomy, AS 1010 and AS 1022. These units don't have any specific prerequisites and are suitable for a broad range of students, including those from outside the Faculty of Science. You can choose them as science units or as free electives. You can choose to do both or just one of them. While they're not required for further studies in astrophysics, we'd recommend them even in addition to the first year physics sequence if you're planning further studies in astrophysics. In Semester 1, we also offer a physics elective for biosciences, PHS 1031. This unit is particularly designed for complementing studies in the biological sciences. It's similar to PHS 1001 in that it doesn't require you to have year 12 physics, and the maths is algebra-based, so no calculus is required. However, if you have year 12 physics or you think that you might want to continue with studies in physics or astrophysics, then you should choose PHS 1011 or PHS 1001 as appropriate. You can also use PHS 1031 to form a first-year science sequence with PHS 1002. Further units to consider include Introduction to Scientific Computing, the Science Internship Unit, and a Career Skills for Scientists unit. Please do note that Sci 1000, Science Communication, is compulsory. The School of Physics and Astronomy offers students access to extraordinary teaching spaces and equipment and research infrastructure, including our Hutton Westfield Astronomical Observatory. You'll have opportunities to extend yourself through individual research projects and through mentoring activities such as the Women and Non-Binary People in Physics and Astronomy program. The School of Physics and Astronomy strives to ensure that every student feels welcome. Students are supported with a team working in equity, diversity, and inclusion initiatives. We also have trained LGBTQI allies, mental health first aiders, and lecturers with experience coordinating with disability support services. This ongoing commitment has been recognized by international equity and diversity and inclusion programs, including the Athena Swan and Pleiades Awards. Make sure you check out our website Facebook page, YouTube channel, and Instagram. I'm looking forward to seeing you all in physics and astronomy here at Monash.